Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You must start with explicit permission. Proceed only with consent. Once confirmed, collect the owner's phone number and an unlocked device. Make sure backups exist, local or Google Drive or iCloud, because you may need to restore messages. Also, check whether two-step verification is enabled. It changes the flow. Begin by opening WhatsApp on the owner's phone while they watch you. Do this together. It's faster and prevents misunderstandings. Keep the conversation short. Once ready, open WhatsApp web or the desktop app on your computer and display the QR code. On the owner's phone, go to Menu, then Link Devices, then link a device, scan the QR. This pairs the browser session legitimately. It's how WhatsApp intends remote access. Make sure to choose Keep Me Signed In only if the owner agrees. After linking, review the list of active sessions together so you both know where the account is logged in and can remove any unknown devices. Complete the session by confirming the owner can see messages and by logging out when finished, unless they want persistent access. If the QR refuses to scan, make sure the phone camera has permission, clean the lens, increase screen brightness, and refresh the browser. If two-step verification prevents linking, ask the owner to enter their PIN or, with their consent, follow WhatsApp's reset process. If anything goes wrong, stop. Reassess consent and security before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.